Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the basic concept of service marketing, and further we are also going to discuss the various elements or components of service marketing, also known as service marketing mix. So let us understand the concept of service marketing, right? So we all know what service is. It is basically any activity which is performed to deliver a value to the customer, right? So delivering value to the customer, but the condition is that there is no transfer of ownership. Okay, that is the ownership remains with the producer or the owner. Okay, and services are also intangible. We cannot touch the services, we can just feel them. Let's say I book a cab till metro. After my ride is complete, I won't be allowed to carry the cab along with me, right? So in case of services there is no transfer of ownership, plus I can just feel the service by sitting in the cab, right? Now what is service marketing? See, like in marketing, there are many components like pricing, promotion, delivery, etc. In service, also there are all the elements, but planning and implementing various strategies relating to these elements, okay, is basically service marketing. Now, let us understand this in detail. For example, I want to start a new hospital, right? So what is the thing that I am required to do? First of all, I need to decide what all treatments will I be giving in my hospital, which all doctors I will be hiring, the hospital staff I will be hiring, right? So I when I decide about these things, I will be deciding on the price also, right? See the price for various treatments, the surgeries, the operations, the normal treatment like fever, okay, etc. So this was about pricing. Then promotion also is inevitable. We have to promote our thing or service. Then only our customer will come to know about our service, right? And they will be coming to our hospital. So promotion can be through any media, be it broadcasting media like TV, radio and all. And it can be a print media also. Print media is newspapers, art, your magazines and all, right? So the question is, why do we need service marketing? See, we need marketing of our services so that we can plan or strategize the things in a efficient manner. Okay, when we have a detailed plan or a strategy, then only we will be able to survive or grow in the market, right? So it is very important that you have a good marketing strategy. Okay, now let us understand the importance of service marketing. See, it is important that we grow our market share. How can we grow our market share? We can do it by making an efficient and effective strategy, right? So, service marketing is all about making an effective and efficient strategy. Then only our market share is eventually going to augment, right? And also, if we want to increase our brand image, the better our services are, the better it will be liked by the customer, right? So, we have to build a good brand image, and therefore the brand loyalty will also rise. Okay, then it also saves the time of both the customers and the producer, very right, because you get the service in no time nowadays. You book a cab, you get it in hardly 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, there is a hospital nearby your home. Okay, you can easily go to the hotel or a hospital or a restaurant. It's so convenient nowadays. There is no procrastination at all. Right? Now let us discuss the various components of service marketing mix. See, there is service, price, place, promotion. Yeah, but there are three more P's, which are process, people, and physical evidence. Okay, now we are going to discuss every element in a bit detail. See, service or product, it is anything which provides satisfaction to the customer, but particularly in the case of service, as I said, that the ownership does not get transferred. Okay, plus the services are intangible, we cannot touch the service, we can just feel them. Okay, price, we all know what price is basically the value which is set for your service. We have to decide about the price by following many strategies or choosing among many strategies. We all know that there are many pricing methods like value pricing, wherein you give a service for a very low price. The customer feels that he is getting more and he is paying less. Then there comes one more strategy which is very much in use nowadays, which is penetrative strategy. What is this? Basically, when the product or service is launched, the product is or service is sold at a lower price compared to competitors, and slowly and gradually they increase the price over time. Okay, so this is a very famous strategy which is used nowadays. Then there is premium pricing also. We all know the case of Apple. Okay, the price is set high in the beginning, then eventually or gradually the price is reduced. Okay, so price is also a very important component of service marketing. Then comes is the promotion. Yes, we all know what promotion is. It includes various elements like advertisement, your sales promotion, your publicity, public relation, and so on. So we need to promote every service. Yes, because then only the customer will come to know about a service, that we are so and so airline, we are so and so hotel. Okay, so we have to let the customer be aware of our products or services so that they can, at the time of availing, can think about our option, right? Then comes is the place. See, in the case of services, when we talk about place, it is basically relating to how fast the service is available to the customer. Okay, how convenient it is for the customer to avail your service. For example, if I own a cab company, okay, so for me the priority will be that the customer books, as soon as the customer books the cab, he gets the cab very soon. That is my priority. Okay, similar with many e-commerce companies also. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, what are they doing? They are basically working on this model only, that they have to deliver quick service to the customer. So in case of particularly I'm saying services, the main focus is that the good that is the service reaches the customer as soon as he orders or books the same. Okay, then comes is people. Yes, people are very important part of service. Why so? Because they are the one who are rendering the service, right? For example, I go to a hotel for a stay for some work. Okay, then if the people are greeting me, or the hotel staff is greeting me in a very polite manner, they are just caring for me, they are carrying my luggage, then how will I feel? I will obviously feel good now. So services have people, and people are a very important part of the service marketing mix. They are the one who are basically giving you or rendering you the service and making you feel comfortable, right? Then comes is the process. See, process is the system through which a service is provided. Okay. For example, if I go to a fast food restaurant, okay, let's say I go to McDonald's, and how will you feel if you don't have to go to the bill counter also? You just have to just tell the person over there to book these all burgers and all, and then you get it on the table and they announce your name also. How will you feel? You will feel good na. So this is part of process. So in service, process also has a very predominant role. Then comes is the physical evidence. See, you know that we cannot touch or see the service, we can just feel the service. So what is the element which is going to play an important role in services? It is basically the ambience, that is the environment, the way in which things are set in a place. For example, we all have gone to a salon, okay, we see how good salons I'm talking about have placed their all items. It looks very cozy to the eyes, it looks quite attractive to our eyes. Okay, so physical evidence is something which is very important in service marketing. We need to keep it in mind that we are having a good ambience around which we are delivering or rendering our services, right? So what did we discuss today? We discussed basically about what service marketing actually is. It is basically a combination of various strategies of promotion, pricing, okay, distribution and all. Okay, what is the aim? To implement these strategies while either manufacture or while either rendering or service, okay, or while either promoting or for pricing a service, right? So service marketing is basically a combination of all those strategies to just deliver a value to the customer, right? Then we discussed about the importance of service marketing. What is the importance? It is useful or helpful in making an effective and efficient strategy so that we can gain a market share. Then it also increases brand image. If we are using or implementing all the strategies in a very efficient manner, then our brand image will automatically enhance, right? Then it also saves the time of both the customer and the producer. We all know that we are so busy in today's life. We have office work, we have our family life and whatnot. So we need to manage everything and we need everything as quickly as possible. So services are very important, useful in delivering us a time saving service, right? Then we discussed about service marketing mix. Okay, the various elements of service marketing are the product, the price, the place, the promotion, okay, the physical evidence. And then we also discussed about people. Now let us discuss some of the important questions of service marketing. So which is the important piece of service marketing? Which is the most important piece of service marketing? Now you have to think a bit logically over here. See, the first one is people, physical evidence, process, promotion. The correct answer for this would be the physical evidence. Yes, because physical evidence is something which is eventually going to increase the footfall in your place, right?